Alright, next naman natin mga brother is this is the VinFast Evo. One of the models that will be released in the Philippines soon. This has a classic look with a round headlight, wide fender, minimalist approach lang with the VinFast branding here. And gaya ng mga nakagawian natin sa mga classic scooter, malapad yung kanyang front fender. And then, looking at it from the side, ayun nga, gaya na sabi natin, very minimalist. Walang mga loud decals or what. We just have branding sa side ng fairings mga brad. And then, okay din. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa ng seats with the premium visible stitches na meron dito. And true to its characteristic, stainless yung kanyang grab bar sa likod. And we have a smooth shaped taillight naman dito. Nakahiwalay yung kanyang winker lights.
Ang isang single charge ng isang VinFast Evo can last you up to 85 kilometers. Kung naka-dual battery configuration ka naman, pwede yun umabot hanggang 150 kilometers. For the top speed, this can reach 70 kilometers per hour. Para sa isang electric scooter na ganito yung size, na ganito yung forma, na ganito yung dating, mabilis na yan. Pero ang mararamdaman mo talaga dyan is yung wapak, yung tipong pag piniga mo yung signyador, wapak talaga kagad, walang delay, ang lakas ng torque.
When it comes to the feature, tingnan naman natin when we turn this on, digital panel na siya. And then, eto, mapapansin kagad natin to. Meron siyang sport mode and eco mode, which we can see yung indicator dito. If we switch it to eco, or if we switch it to sport. And then we can already see the battery indicator right here, speedometer, clock, and temperature. Tapos ito, yung kanyang headlight. Yan, mga brother. And then we have a front pocket. Ito yung kanang front pocket. Malalim, makala ko mababaw. Malalim din pala mga brad. Ayun, and then yung left front pocket. Mas malapad naman yung kanyang entrance. So for this, siguro pwede kang mag-store ng mga maliit na mineral water dyan or mga bottle water mo. And then we have a charging port. Meron siyang USB and Type-C charging port. Now let's look at what's inside the compartment. Okay. So ito, malawak yung kanyang compartment. Right now we have one battery. Gaya ng nabanggit natin sa ibang mga models ng VinFast, at least for the ones that are being released in the Philippines, you may have the option to install another battery here. So obviously, madodoble yung range that you can go for pagdating dito sa mga scooters na ganito. Pero kahit na maging dalawa yung baterya mo, meron ka pa rin space dito for documents, kapote, kung mga konting pinamili, pwede pa rin dyan mga brad. When it comes to the brakes, what we have is single disc brake in front with single pot caliper. Tapos sa likod naman, we have drum brake naman sa likod. For the tires, ang sukat ng gulong nito ay 90 by 12. Sa harap naman, what we have is, parehas siya, 90 by 12. So, parehas ang sukat both the front and the rear wheels natin. Pagdating sa suspension, we have dual shocks. Test natin riding position. For reference, I am 5'10 in height. Ito siya mga brother. Mababa lang to. So very Pinoy friendly, very Asian friendly. Kung titingnan mo yung upuan, hindi siya ganun kalapad. Pero ano siya, malapad siya. And just the right amount of comfort pagdating sa upuan. Ito, size 11 ng sapatos ko. This is what we have. Not a lot of space kung gusto ko masyadong gagalaw-galaw, pero sa mga ganitong type ng scooters naman, you're not gonna go for sobrang long ride. So this would be enough. Importante, meron pa rin akong gulay board sa kahit na andito yung pa ako, I still have space sa kung ano man ang pinamili ko o gamit ko or what. As with any other scooters, eto siya. The handlebars medyo naka-forward siya mga brad. So instead na nakababa yung siko ko, konting-konting extend lang naman. And we have a wide enough seat for the passenger. So magiging komportable. At saka isa pa, malapad din yung kanyang foot pegs dito. So ito yung pinaka-riding position natin mga brother. Relax lang. Kaya natin kung tatama yung handlebar sa tuhod ng isang 5'10" na tao. So tumatama siya. Ayun, no? So this is something that you should be wary of. Lalo na pag medyo sisingit-singit ka kasi you have to get your legs out of the way para maisagad mo yung kanyang turning radius. But overall, you enough comfort pagdating sa overall ergonomics mo pagdating sa motor na to.
So let's talk about VinFast for a second. What VinFast is proud of is the fact that they have this entire ecosystem. Ibig sabihin, Hindi lang sila pagawaan ng motor, hindi lang sila nagbebenta ng mga sasakyan. More than having their own manufacturing facility, yes, sila mismo ang gumagawa ng mga produkto nila from scratch hanggang maging finished product hanggang makarating sa ating mga consumers. And part of that ecosystem is having the charging or swapping stations. Anong ibig sabihin nun? On top of just having the option to charge your electric scooters sa kanya-kanya nating mga bahay or charging stations, what they built around Vietnam are there different and multiple charging/swapping stations. Paano nga ba ito nag-work? So once malobat ka na, all you have to do is drive to a nearby VinFast swapping station. Iwan mo yung baterya mo na mag-lobat and then the swapping station will now give you a new battery that's fully charged. And you can do that in less than 5 minutes. After nun, meron ka ng fully functioning, fully charged battery, kaya ready to go ka na rin. These VinFast swapping stations will be available on different VinFast dealers. In fact, what they plan is build around 30,000 swapping stations around the nation or maybe around Luzon. Update ko ulit kayo tungkol dyan, mga brother. Kung itatanong nyo magkano nga ba ang magpa-charge or magpa-full bat if you're going through the swap battery technology nila or ecosystem nila, malalaman natin yung eksakto niyan once this is formally launched in the Philippines this coming June. But one possibility is we can have the subscription service. Ibig sabihin, you have to pay a certain amount of fee buwan-buwan but you get to enjoy unlimited swapping or battery charging capability sa lahat ng mga swapping stations ng VinFast. And tingnan din natin, because sa Vietnam, the subscription model is free until 2028. Tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging update dito sa Pilipinas.
Performance assessment, mga brother, pagdating dito kay VinFast, kay VinFast Evo. Ano sa tingin niyo, mga brother? Isa nga ba ito sa mga mapipili mong option when you're about to buy your new scooter? I-comment mo sa baba at pag-usapan natin yan. In the meantime, para hindi ka magpuhuli sa lahat ng mga motorcycle news, reviews, and tips, be sure to follow lahat ng mga social media pages natin tulad ng TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Till our next video, all the way from Vietnam.